This is the HTC Wildfire S loudspeaker replacement guide. The first step will be to remove the back battery cover and the battery. Now, using a T5 Torx screwdriver, remove the 4 screws as shown in the video. Also be 1 small Phillips head screw as shown in the video. Step will be using a safe open pry tool to release the back housing. Simply glide it along the outside edges, releasing the clips. Also note that the power button and volume button will both come out. Set these aside until reassembly. The loudspeaker is located on the back housing. To remove it from the back housing, simply use a safe open pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it out of place. It will be held in place with a small bit of adhesive. To replace the speaker, simply press it firmly into the back housing.